Hey, this is Deepak here, and in this video we will be learning some basics of SEO. So this is your next lesson in your digital marketing course, and we will see what search engine optimization is, how search engines evolved, and a few more concepts like that. So the first step is understanding search engines. We all use search engines every day. We use Google to search for whatever the things we want. But search engines are actually an evolved form of yellow pages or classified listings. We go ahead and search for something that we know that it exists, and before the age of search engines, when we actually wanted something, let's say we wanted the phone number of an electrical shop in our city, what we used to do is we used to actually open up an yellow pages, and then we used to look for the businesses, right? So search engines are just an evolved form of yellow pages. Now there's a lot more technology involved in search engines, such as videos, images, and you basically get business listings. That's how it got started, right? So here people search for products and services or information that they know that it exists. Like if you are for example, if you are buying a tablet computer, and tablet computer are just getting launched, then people advertise it on newspapers, radio, and other interactive forms of advertising, but they don't actually advertise on search engines because you don't even know it exists. So you are not actually searching for it, right? So people are not searching for something that is new in the market because they don't know it exists. So understanding Google. So Google is the market leader for all the search engines, and all future lessons will be based on Google whenever we are learning about SEO especially. So there are two major parts in Google search. One is the free listings, organic search results, and other one is the paid listing. Search engine optimization is for organic results, and search engine marketing is for the paid search results. So that is basically Google AdWords. So give you an example. So whenever you have searched for something in Google, I think you would have already noticed that there is a bunch of listings which are paid results, and there is a bunch of listings which are free results, right? So when it comes to SEO in the paid result, we will be focusing on search engine marketing. That's where we will be listing on paid search results. When it comes to free search results, we will be listing on we will be doing search engine optimization to get high rankings in the organic search results. That's how it works. So how does Google actually rank websites? When it comes to paid search results, they just put the ad of the person who is paying the highest amount on the top. When it comes to search engine optimization, organic search results, there are more than 200 factors involved in the ranking algorithm. So they basically try to rank the most relevant website on the top. That's what they do. So primary factors you can control: backlinks, domain authority, social signals, content. So this is just the basics of SEO, right? So a lot more into SEO which you will learn in the future lessons. So factors you cannot control is user behavior. For example, if someone is visiting your site, they don't like your site, they go back, Google actually tracks that, which actually de-ranks your website. So that is something you cannot control directly. Of course, you can create good quality content to make sure that the user behavior on your site is better, but there is a limit to how much you can do it. The goal of the search engine is to provide useful and relevant search results to users, else people will not use it, right? People will use some other search engine, for example, Bing. You still use Google because the search results are very relevant and you are finding what you want, right? So here I am showing you an example from learndigitalmarketing.com, an example site that we have. And here when I search for something, here you can see this is the search result that we see, right? NIIT Digital Marketing Course Review. For this article, you can see this is the title of the article, this is the URL of the article, and this is the description of the article, which is actually getting displayed in the search engines. However, this is not the exact title of the article. If you go inside the blog, you can see this title can be different, this title can be different, and the title that you see on the search results can be different. So how do you actually control what gets displayed in the search engine results? You have to install a plugin in your WordPress blog called Yoast SEO. So this is that plugin. This is called Yoast SEO. You can go into plugins, click on add new, and install this plugin. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you can see Yoast SEO plugin in work here. So here Yoast SEO, what it does is that it helps you edit what will be displayed in the search engines. For example, if I want to just edit this, and if I go ahead and publish it, what will happen is that what displays in the search engines will be different. So this is what is getting displayed in the search engines, right? And URL cannot be changed. Of course, it's also advisable to give the keywords that people are searching for in this URL. So here you can click on edit and give the URL here. So you can notice that whenever people are searching for something, it gets bolded in this URL, so you are more likely to click on it. And then when you look at the description, so here you can look at the description. Here is where you give a meta description. It's called a meta description, and this is what is getting displayed on the search engines here. So the first step, the basics of SEO, is that install Yoast SEO and start controlling how you get displayed on the search engines. If you want to get ranked in the search engines, we have already discussed in the Google Webmaster Tools. You can get it ranked by doing fetch as Google. So that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, let me know. Ask it in the forum or mail it to me. And in the future, we will be looking at a lot more SEO tools such as keyword research tools and backlinking, and how to increase the ranking of your search engines and things like that. So that's it for today's lesson, and see you in the next lesson.